Hello, today in this video we'll talk about ICP, Internet Computer. What kind of movement are we seeing in ICP right now? Is there a support zone? Where's the resistance? We'll cover everything in detail, your entry points and your targets. ICP is a fundamentally strong project. It's a Web 3.0 project. The trend hasn't come yet, and the demand is still low. But in the future, as demand increases, the trend will come, and the price could give you a good return. Right now, ICP is in a correction zone, and the price is sitting near the bottom. That gives you an opportunity to buy. But the big question is, if you buy now, will you get a return in the short term or long term? We'll understand that in this video. Now if we talk about the overview of ICP, its current price is around =equals $6.00. There's a slight downtrend of 2.2%. In the last 24 hours, the price has moved between $5.90 and $6.10. There's fluctuation in a minor range, but remember, fresh buying should be done on correction and downfall. If we look at the market cap, it's above $3 billion. The 24-hour trading volume is only $45 million. This means the demand is currently low. But as demand increases, trading volume will also rise, and so will the price, and that can give you a good return. Now let's talk about supply. The circulating supply is 534 million. The total supply is also 534 million. The maximum supply is infinite, meaning more tokens will be released gradually over time. If you check the project info, you'll find the website where you can read about ICP's fundamentals. You can also read its white paper to better understand the project. If you want regular updates, you can join their Twitter and Telegram communities. You'll also find information about their future plans, supply schedule, and upcoming developments. Now let's talk about the all-time high. ICP's all-time high was around $700. Right now, the price is down 99.1% from that level. So even in a bull market, it's not realistic to expect $700 again soon. The maximum target for now would be around $80 to $100. Now let's go to TradingView and look at ICP's chart pattern. First, we're using the 4-hour time frame. According to the 4-hour chart, our resistance is the trend line, and our support is also the trend line. As long as the price stays in between, it will respect both support and resistance levels. What's important here is this: a bearish crossover has happened in the small EMAs, and the candle is below the 200 EMA. This means a bearish trend is starting. If there's a downfall or correction and we break the key support level at $5, the price could fall to around $4.50 or even $4.20. So proceed carefully. If you have limited capital, don't buy right now. But if you can enter in 3 parts, wait for the right levels. Your first entry can be around $5. The second entry can be near the second support zone I mentioned. That's where you can take your trade. To summarize, based on the 4-hour chart, ICP looks like it may dump further in the short term. Now let's switch to the daily time frame. Earlier, ICP was in a downtrend and kept making lower highs. But now we see that support has formed along a strong trend line, meaning a short-term trend reversal could be happening. We are now holding above our previous resistance, which has turned into support. If we continue holding this level, we could see a recovery. But if we break below this support, we might retest the previous bottom, or even go below it. So if you're buying now, consider this your first entry. If support breaks, then manage your capital and enter lower. According to the daily chart, as long as the price stays below the 200 EMA, we may see some correction, but also a chance for a recovery. If ICP breaks above the 200 EMA and holds it as support, we could see big upside targets. So I hope you understood the current update on ICP. If you're buying now, in the short term your target can be around $10 to $20. In the midterm, if momentum builds, you can aim for even higher targets. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto updates. See you in the next video.